What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Acala token, also known as ACA, which has pumped up over 22% in the last 24 hours and it is currently trading at just over 10 cents guys. So we're going to be looking at why is it pumping up so much, where is it heading to next, can it potentially head to around 20 cents over the coming weeks, and mainly looking at is now the right time to buy it, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and also look at its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Acala token, which is here in purple at just about 0.087 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here at 10 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So it is looking quite skeptical guys. So by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Acala token to have dropped back down to around just above 9 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is it has pumped up quite a bit, so it is slightly overvalued right now. It is due for a little bit of a step back, dip in value over the coming hours, dropping down just over 9 cents in value is where I'm expecting Acala token to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So again, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to head up to around 11 cents over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. Zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days now, we are looking way too steep. We got both the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, going in a positive direction. But the only downside to that is that it is looking very steep, meaning it's not realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place earlier on today. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next couple of days. However, that is not the case. So essentially over the next 7 to 8 days guys, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Acala token to have dropped back down to around 8 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, same reason as the previous chart, the crypto is slightly overvalued. As you guys can see, there's quite a difference between the SMA indicator and the actual value of Acala token. So it is due for a little bit of a step back in value over the coming days. So do expect more red days from Acala token over the coming week or so, dropping it down to just around 8 cents is what I'm expecting. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking, well, the blue line is still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, and the orange line is slanting towards the positive direction. So yes, we have both the lines looking bullish, however one is looking realistic and one isn't. So my prediction over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late March and early April 2024, is an overall increase in value from Acala token, heading over 14 to 15 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by late March and early April. But Of course, we have the Bitcoin halving coming in April, which should have a potential impact on the crypto market, which will of course have an impact on all the other cryptocurrencies, but there will be more updates on that closer to the time. And I keep you guys updated on a regular basis as well, just to keep you guys in the loop on if there are any major changes in the crypto market. But at the moment, this is my take on Acala token. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, guys, we've got quite a long way to go. We need to hit over 5 cents in value to hit the resistance target, which I'm not expecting Acala token to hit anytime soon, at least not for the next 6 to 8 months. So even if we do hit the resistance target, it would be towards the very end of the year. And for those of you guys asking when, sorry, it's not 5 cents, it's 52 cents, just to rectify what I've said. So yeah, to hit that is going to take quite a while, guys. And there's been a lot of people asking me, can Acala token hit the dollar mark anytime soon? Again, it is going to require a major increase in value for it to hit the dollar mark, and I'm not expecting it to hit that target this year. Potentially 2025 is when Acala token should be able to hit the dollar mark, but again, we've got quite a long way for that, and anything can happen in between that time. It can go through a major crash or a major bull run or anything like that. So of course these things will have a major impact on when the crypto hits the dollar mark. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up near about 800% up in the last 24 hours, making it over $21 million in trading, guys, which is a huge increase in trading. So there's been a lot more traders trading Acala token over the last 24 hours, especially with the pump here. As you guys can see, according to Binance, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So yes, it has been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people have started to trade the crypto. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Acala token to go in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.